Okay, y'all, I'm gonna try this TikTok cinnamon roll hack that I saw everybody doing. So y'all know these TikTok people be having me want to try all this shit, but we gonna see. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. These just don't pop by themselves like they used to. You have to hit it on the counter now. Oh, what's up with that? I don't want to put too much. Kind of move it around to make sure it gets to the bottom of each one. Should look something like that. Next, you have melted butter. You want to add 1/4 cup brown sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon. I feel like such a fat ass, y'all. Leave it to TikTok to just make my inner fatty come out. Now y'all get to see how much I love food. I'll make and try anything I see on TikTok. They be making everything look so freaking good. So we're just gonna cover this in foil and bake it for about 15 minutes. And then we're about to make glaze. Who else keeps foil down there to catch any falling? I do. So now we're just gonna eyeball this. We're just gonna pour some of that in there. You don't want to do too much because a little goes a long way with that powdered sugar. And then we're gonna stir it, keep stirring it. And I'm actually gonna add this to it too and just mix all that together. It should be creamy like this. All right, y'all, so this is what they're looking like fresh out the oven. I did end up baking them 15 minutes uncovered, and then I took the foil off and did another 5 minutes covered because it still felt a little wet and I didn't like that. So I guess this looks okay. Now we're just gonna drizzle this on top. Spread that out in an even amount on all little pieces. Yes, so this is what they're looking like now. Let's scoop one out. You know, I'll be like in the middle pieces. I'll be on my paper plate. I ain't got time to be washing no dishes. You gotta do wash dishes, but if I can off a paper plate, I am. So this is what it's looking like. Y'all take y'all first bite here. Bite that. It's good, huh? All right, let me see. Oh my God, so good. Y'all got to try it. Thanks for watching. See y'all in my next video. Bye.